Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I am reviewing a product with you that I have had in my collection for a long time. This is a must-have if you are a traveler or if you are planning on traveling anytime soon. What is the product? This product is a travel wash. This is ideal. As you can see, the size is perfect. You can put it in your luggage, wherever you go. And yeah, so basically, wherever you go, you just use a little bit. Honestly, a little goes a long way with this product. You just put it in a bowl or a bucket of water and you just simply wash your clothes with it. And honestly, you'll be amazed how long this can actually last you. I used this for 2 months while I was traveling once. And honestly, I use a little bit every time. Of course, you make sure it's all soaked in your clothes and you wash them thoroughly. And honestly, it really works. It's some powerful stuff, this, considering it's non-bio travel wash. As you can see on the bottle, it actually proclaims that this little small bottle right here can actually do 20 washes. But as I mentioned, if you use very little, you can even double that number. It's ideal for white clothes, colored clothes, and this will remove stains. Of course, it depends on how big the stains are and how dirty your clothes are. But for the average stain, it removes it. Now, I've got a 100 milliliter bottle right here. Currently, as of 2024, it averages out at about $2.35 US dollars, which is around £1.70 British pounds. On the back of the bottle, it states, important information, always wash matching pieces together. Obviously, travel wash is suitable for all washable and color fast fabrics. Before packing in a suitcase, ensure cap is tightened and secure and place the product in a plastic bag. Yeah, that's something else you must remember to do, because you will be amazed how many people actually forget to do this. And then when they get to their destination, wherever it is, when they open up their luggage, the bottle has exploded or it's went all over their clothes and all their other possessions, basically destroying everything. So yeah, you must remember to put this in a bag when you do go traveling too, just to be extra safe. Now, as you mentioned, obviously it's not rocket science. I told you how I use this. I just use a little bit. But on the back, it says directions for use. Dissolve 1 or 2 teaspoons of travel wash gel into a basin of hot or cold water and then hand wash clothes. Rinse clothes thoroughly and dry as usual. For heavily soiled or stained clothes, apply gel directly to the affected areas. Scrub lightly and then rinse thoroughly before drying. Now, there's also a warning here, and it says it causes serious eye irritation, so of course you must keep it out of the range of children. If it does get in your eyes, you must rinse your eyes cautiously with water for several minutes. Remove contact lenses if present and easy to do. Continue rinsing again. If eye irritation persists, get medical advice attention right away. But of course, who's going to use this around their eyes? And of course, you must always wash your hands before and after use so you don't touch your face by accident. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this short little video review. This is ideal for traveling. Remember, don't forget, before you go traveling, you must add this to your collection. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other videos for further content and product reviews just like this one.